Hola mis estudiantes y bienvenidos otra vez a la clase de español. Aquí estoy en mi clase. Here I am in my classroom. Generally, I don't know, sometimes I make videos for you guys from my apartment, sometimes in the class I'm scooting the wrong way. But here we're working on levantamos la mano, which means we raise the hand. So luckily we don't have to work on that in your guys' class. Oh, por favor, please. What we're working on in school. Um, I wish you guys could be here. I wish I could get to know you in person. But thank you for tuning in today to today's class. Today we're going to be learning, well, let me actually push this to the agenda so we can talk about it in Spanish a little bit. Hoy es jueves, el 27 de agosto de 2020. Hoy tenemos, remember that means today we have. So keep practicing Quizlet as needed. I realized that the months are not on your Quizlet, so I'm probably going to add another Quizlet for that for you guys and link that to this. So please be practicing those, as well as some more numbers. Listen to numbers 1 through 10 if needed here. The songs I linked to this one are kind of goofy, so feel free to listen to them if you just want to be entertained and want to practice. Try to sing along. Listen to numbers 11 through 100 for a challenge. Try to sing along to that one. I love that song. That song will get stuck in your head if you aren't careful. So listen to that one too. Watch today's lesson to be posted. That's what I'm recording right now. Check out today's notes. I linked those to you guys for you guys in Canvas. And then you have a months, days, and numbers assignment. So, today's lesson, we're going over numbers, days, and months. It's probably going to be kind of brief because, I mean, it's just vocabulary that you guys need to memorize. There's not too much to work with. Mi número de teléfono. So, this is having you guys learn numbers 1 through 10. I believe probably most of you already know that. So, that's why for this class, I'm going to give you guys a little boost. Give you 1 through 30 today, okay? So, please be practicing those. But as you can see here, we have cerro. Repeat after me. How about this? So we have our pronunciation right. Cerro, uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. So this guy says, ¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono? That means, what is your phone number? So ¿cuál actually means which. So which is your number? Oh, es, which she's saying es means it is. 7649081. Try to say that one as fast as you can. Numbers can sometimes be hard in a different language. The more you practice, the more you'll get it down. It says perdón. Remember that means like pardon, excuse me. Perdón. ¿Cuál es su número de teléfono? So here, do you remember we worked with the informal and the formal? The informal is tu, the formal is usted. So here he's saying ¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono? Because that's the informal. Here it says ¿Cuál es su número? That is the formal, su, rather than tu. She says mi número de teléfono es. Pause this real quick and try to read that. Okay, now you should have said 253-7109. So, number 14, give the answers to the following math problems using words. Number 1, ocho menos tres. What is it? Cinco. Tres. Oh, sorry. Número 2, cuatro más cuatro is ocho. You guys can try to do the rest of those. Go ahead and pause this video and maybe do 2 or 3 more. You don't need to do all of them. In the expansión, aquí dice Sage complete a problem using más, which means plus, and menos, which is minus. So that's kind of easy, right? An expression called ¿Qué más? Is like, what more? Más. What's up? What more? Más is more, or plus, and menos is minus. It sounds really similar. We're not going to do 15, and we're not going to do 16. I think you guys know the numbers. If not, please keep practicing them. We're going to switch over here to our notes. Maybe. Here we go. And we have los números 0 a 30. Please read through these. We already did 0 through 10. Now, please repeat after me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So this is going to be able to help you say the days of the months. If you need to say 31st, it'd be 31, okay? 31. So please be studying these, practice those. 11 through 15, kind of hard to remember. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's the 11 through 100 video I gave you. Might help you. Check it out. But then here, 16, 17, 18, 19, that's just yes, think like 10, yes, right? E, which E in Spanish means and then you just add like 6, 7, 8, 9, so 10 and 6, 10 and 7. And here, super easy, just 20, and then you add what you would have added from 1 through 10, except for 30. So again, that video that I gave you guys here, the 11 through 100, will help you to know all of the 10s if you want to know, like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. Okay, next we're going to check out los días de la semana. We got lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, and domingo. So in Spanish, the days of the week are never capitalized. So as you can see, all of these are lowercase. So we use el and los to talk about what you do on certain days or days. So you could say, el lunes voy al mercado. On Monday, I'm going to the market. Or los lunes tengo mi clase de baile. On Mondays, I have my dance class, okay? So el means like one, the, los is the plural on Mondays, right? Here we have Anna asking, ¿Qué día es hoy? ¿Qué día es hoy? That means, what day is today? Or what is today? Rosa says, hoy es jueves. Hoy es jueves. That means today, remember, hoy is today, is Thursday. Juan says, hoy es viernes? Today is Friday? Esteban says, no, mañana es viernes. Qué loco, mi amigo, ¿no? Tomorrow, mañana es viernes. Remember, the ñ kind of sounds like the NY in canyon, right? Mañana es viernes. The only activity we're going to do, because I think you guys can get this pretty easily, is los días. Complete each list with the missing day of the week. So number 1, lunes, miércoles, and jueves. What day is missing? Pause this if you need to. It's martes. Number 2, viernes, domingo, lunes. What comes after viernes? Sábado. 3, martes, miércoles, jueves. That's lunes. And 4, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves. Jueves would be Thursday. Go ahead, pause the video, complete 5 through 8. Then after that, let's look back at our notes. Finally, I want to go over the months. So repeat after me. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. So those are your months. So go ahead and practice those. You can practice the Quizlet flashcards. You can try to look up songs. I might try to post one for you guys by the time Thursday rolls around. But go ahead and just practice these things. Pretty basic things to know in Spanish. And then go ahead and feel free to use your notes. Please use your notes when you're doing the assignment. The assignment is linked in Canvas and also in the daily agenda. But just questions like what number is this? How do you say the following date in Spanish? So like you'd say el 21 de marzo, right? So you're going to need your numbers, your days of the week, and your months to do the assignment. And that's it for today. Please just study those. Again, use the Quizlet, get these down. Tomorrow, Friday, is going to be a review day. So if you feel like you're learning so much vocabulary and we're going so fast, it's okay. Fridays, I think at least this Friday will be a review day, and I might try to throw in a little culture lesson for you guys. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Email me with any questions. Gracias por estar aquí. And adios, mis estudiantes.